Hello and welcome to 5minutemantras.com. Please like, share and subscribe for more mantras. In today's mantra, we'll be cleansing your chakras. So take this time just for yourself, a moment to relax, reset and restore your energy. Find a comfortable position. You can sit or lie down. Gently close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose and slowly breathe out. Again, breathe in calm and breathe out any tension. Let your shoulders relax. Let your jaw soften. Allow your body to become still and peaceful. Now we will gently cleanse and balance each of the 7 chakras, the energy centers of your body. Bring your awareness to the base of your spine. Visualize a glowing red light. With every breath in, this red light grows bigger, brighter and stronger. With every breath out, it releases fear, worry and tension. Silently repeat to yourself, I am safe, I am grounded, I am supported. I am safe, I am grounded, I am supported. I am safe, I am grounded, I am supported. Now move your attention just below your navel. See a warm orange light glowing softly. This light clears away emotional heaviness and restores flow. Repeat silently, I allow joy, creativity and pleasure to flow through me. I allow joy, creativity and pleasure to flow through me. I allow joy, creativity and pleasure to flow through me. Now bring your awareness to your upper abdomen. Visualize a radiant yellow light, like warm sunlight. This light fills you with confidence and personal power. Repeat silently, I am strong, I am capable, I trust myself. I am strong, I am capable, I trust myself. I am strong, I am capable, I trust myself. Now focus on the center of your chest. Imagine a beautiful green light expanding with every breath. This light gently washes away hurt and opens your heart. Repeat silently, I give and receive love freely. I give and receive love freely. I give and receive love freely. Now bring awareness to your throat. Visualize a calming blue light clearing your voice and expression. Feel it dissolving any tension or blocked words. Repeat silently, I speak my truth with clarity and confidence. I speak my truth with clarity and confidence. I speak my truth with clarity and confidence. Now focus between your eyebrows. See a deep indigo light glowing softly. This light awakens intuition and inner wisdom. Repeat silently, I trust my inner guidance. I trust my inner guidance. I trust my inner guidance. Finally, bring awareness to the top of your head. Visualize a radiant violet light shining down from above. This light connects you to peace, clarity, and higher awareness. Feel it flowing through your entire body. Repeat silently, I am connected to infinite wisdom and peace. I am connected to infinite wisdom and peace. I am connected to infinite wisdom and peace. Now imagine all 7 lights glowing together. Your entire body is balanced, clear and radiant. Feel this beautiful energy flowing freely through you. Take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Begin gently bringing your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers, move your toes, and when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Your energy is clear, your mind is calm, your body is balanced. Carry this peaceful energy with you throughout the day. Thank you, thank you, thank you.